Welcome to Alloc AI demo. In this demo, we are going to talk about ChatGPT Enterprise or Alloc AI Enterprise rather, which is built on ChatGPT. In fact, Alloc AI Enterprise can be built on any equivalent tool like ChatGPT Business, whether it is Anthropic, Gemini, and so on. But here you will see ChatGPT Business as our the platform in which we have created this particular demonstration. Uh, it is ChatGPT Business. You see here, the main advantage of using this particular tool, in other words, Alloc AI Enterprise, which is built on ChatGPT Enterprise, is that one, your data is completely secure. It is not your data, proprietary data of your company is not used to train data in ChatGPT and so on. So it's private to you, and the more importantly, and the other advantage is you get the full functionality of the ChatGPT interface that many of you are familiar with. And third and most important, you can connect with a lot of internal data sources through ChatGPT Business, whether it is your Slack channel, your emails, Google Drives, anything else. It has got hundreds of integrations. So you can essentially create a custom ChatGPT for your business. And that's what Alloc AI Strategist Enterprise is. So this has got the integration built into ChatGPT Business, and it has got a knowledge base, Alloc AI's proprietary knowledge base on marketing strategies, budget estimation and allocation. So you have, and once you do the integration with our help to your internal tools, then you have a custom GPT that you can use to do anything from budget estimation, allocation to email copy creation that fits with your brand headlines, brand guidelines. So it has got a lot of advantages for this, a lot of versatility with this tier. So here we have made some initial prompts that many of you use. So if you click here, it will start working with the ChatGPT interface in a secure manner, and it will give some start, blurting out some basic information. And you can continue the conversation. You can ask it to drill down on specific areas and so on. Rather than going through that, you can do it. I'm sure you have the abilities to do that. In fact, I will just say, then it will give you the instructions on how to allocate your budget. You have the ability to provide more information. In fact, it will be the ChatGPT instructions. You can, in the integration, we will make sure to add what type of business you are, how big you are, what's your revenue growth rate, and industry and so on, so that all the answers here will be customized for you. So it gives some, in this case, it will give some basic guidelines on how to divide your budget based on experience of companies like yours. While it is doing so, let me tee up another one. You can actually upload a file, so it can give you more, data manipulation, etc. So I'm going to bring up a report from our multi-touch attribution that we talked about earlier. You can just drag and drop that particular output file, and you can say, explain this file to me. So it will look at, so this is the power of ChatGPT interface. Again, this data is secure, and it is looking in that secure environment. It is analyzing the data, and it's coming up with some conclusions, and it is correctly interpreting this is an attribution file, and how big it is, and so on. Yeah, these are all useful information. So this is the power of ChatGPT interface. Another thing you can do, give me, create the top 3 useful reports from this file. Give these in the form of charts. Let us see what it comes with. So it's going to manipulate that CSV file that was actually created from the attribution tool in Alloc AI, and it is going to create 3 reports for you. In fact, you can actually specify what type of reports you want, and it will do that accordingly. But in this case, it is going to do a brainstorming, and it will create the 3 reports that you can include in your meeting with the CEO or in QBR and so on. So it will give these reports. So the way we work, how Alloc Strategist Enterprise, how it works is that we will need a retainer. It will be in part it's an integration slash consulting project, and the other part is a monthly subscription. So we need 1 day of a retainer to start working in your city environment and set up this particular tool for your business. It may be more than 1 day, but at a minimum, we need 1 day retainer. Then we have a monthly subscription per active user in your marketing team and beyond who will use this service. And you can ask for more details by contacting us. All right. So thank you for listening. Bye.